how to make scatter plot in Excel. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so. So let's just get started with the video. You can start by opening up Excel and ensure that you have prepared your data. Make sure your data is in two columns, one for x-axis and another one for y-axis. For example, something like now what we can do is we can just go over and select the data. We can highlight both the columns, including the headers. If you have them, you can just go over and select this like this, and you can go to the insert tab in the top of the screen and select it. Now from here, we'll be finding a chart section here. We can head over to the chart section and we can select the option of scatter chart from here. Just go over and select it. So for that, you can just go over and select up your data and look out for the recommended charts here. Click on it and select the option of scatter, the first option here available. You can find the title here. You can select it and directly click on this option called OK. And it will give you a chart that you are looking for. You can place it wherever you want on your screen, like this. Now here, once you have opened up the scatter from the chart icon, we can just go over and click on the default title here, which is score available here. And you can type in your own title as well if you prefer, and just go over and select it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can look out for access titles also available. If you can just go and choose it up, and you can also drag and drop these data available and change it up. And apart from that, you can right click on a marker and even format here. You can click on the data available here and even format it and apply the changes. But usually you can just go over and select up the scatter graph here available, and you can change marker style and color. We have color option here, fill, border, etc. Similarly, this option here for FX, size and properties, you can apply the changes and do so. And also you can right click on a point here and we can just go over and add up a trend line, this available trend line. Click on it and we can select the option of linear, exponential, etc. and apply the changes. Click on it and then just go over and apply the changes, and it is very useful for seeing correlation between the x and the y axis. You can apply the changes and follow up that process. And you must know that x-axis is for independent variables, which is ours for studies, and another y-axis is dependent variables, which is for score. You can check it out and customize your graph available here, the scatter one. But usually this is how you should be able to make a scatter plot in Excel. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.